Christy come and share with us, you guys. You know that automated sales system that I was just sharing with you? Hers converts at 1 out of 5, which means when 5 people put an email in, she is getting a customer. So Christy, are you with us, my friend? You should be able to unmute.
I'm here.
Yay, thank you so much for joining us.
Absolutely. I am so excited to be a part of this community and to be able to get here and share with you guys. Michelle, it has been the most incredible ride.
Mhm. Well, thank you.
So
We're so glad you're here.
yeah, so I started with this digital marketing back in August. I bought my program at the end of July. Took me a little while to get my website going. I was going to pay, you can pay to have somebody build your website, or you can do it yourself. Well, I'm a 66-year-old widow. I consider myself pretty non-techie. And I thought to myself, you know what? Just apply yourself, follow the steps. And if you can do it, then you can tell people, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So I did it. I built my own website. I went live on August the 8th. I had invested this $900 for the Legacy Builders program, not having the $900. I'm one of those people that I had to trust God to take care of me, right? And help me get this paid for. So I put it on my credit card. And within 5 days, I had three $900 sales. So I not only paid for my investment, I made an extra $1,800 in my first 5 days. So I am now 3 months into this journey. And the reason why I started this, Michelle, was because I'm a widow. I've been a widow for 14 years now, and I live off of a very small Social Security benefit that is not enough to take care of me. So I have to have multiple streams of income. And my husband and I, we were in ministry together for 26 years before he passed away. I left Tulsa, where we had lived for that entire time. I moved to Arkansas, and I live next door to my daughter and her husband and their kids. So I'm Yaya. That's
Oh,
great
I
for
love
grandma.
that.
I'm Yaya to two beautiful little girls. And I wanted the time freedom to be able to help them because they're my pastors and they need somebody to help with the kids. And I wanted to be that person, but I couldn't do it if I had to go to a 9 to 5 job or if I had to do something else. So I was looking for a way to make money at home. And this is my office right here in my little house, right? And I was looking for a way to make money at home. I tried MLM, and let's just say it didn't work for me. Okay. I put 2 years into that, and it's just making very little profit, right? Off of spending a lot of time. And I was basically putting in an hour or two every day towards working that business. So when one of my friends who is also in MLM, she's on the call tonight, Lisa is, when she was posting that she was making $900 a day, every other day, I was like, girlfriend, you are not doing this with our network marketing company. You cannot sell enough health and wellness products to make $900 a day. So I watched her journey. And then when she posted that she had made $20,000 in her first 6 weeks, I said, all right, it's time for me to ask her, what in the heck is she doing? And that's when she introduced me to her blueprint and the digital marketing products. And I said, okay, I don't have the money to do this, but I'm going to make it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put it on a credit card. I'm going to keep this from my son-in-law. I'm not going to tell him that I'm putting this on my credit card because I was already in debt. My first year with my network marketing company, I emptied my savings account of the $8,000 I had in that because I was trying to get a business going, right? The second year in my MLM, I put over $5,000 on a credit card. So I needed an answer, and I needed something that was going to work and work now. So I invested in it. I went ahead and did my website. And today I'm 3 months in, and I have made $26,600, which is phenomenal. I've never made this much money, ever, ever.
Oh my goodness, congratulations. That is amazing. So I have a question though. After being inside our digital growth community, what have you experienced that you didn't expect to experience?
Okay. The community all in itself is amazing. Like I knew that I was going to have access to training videos and that I was going, because I purchased a digital training product program. Like I tell people I have a whole library full of materials. It's going to teach me how to be successful as a, social seller, selling on social media. And so I came in with a little bit of knowledge. Of course, if I was doing a network marketing job for 2 years, I was posting on Facebook and that sort of thing. But there were so many skills I didn't have that I wanted to learn. I wanted to get better at making videos. I wanted to learn how, I had never been on TikTok. I'm on TikTok now. I've got 1,500 followers on TikTok, right? This is crazy. This is not where I thought I would be. But the community that we are in is amazing. Like when I first started 3 months ago, Michelle, there were 34,000 in our community. In 3 months, we've grown to over 45,000. And yes. And the thing I love about it is nobody is making any money off of each other. Nobody in the community is benefiting financially from other people. It's like once you buy your program, you're on your own. You're your own boss. You're not working under anybody. You don't have anybody you're, trying to do things for, but we still help each other. We give each other tips. Like Wendy Nolan, who is part of our community, did this amazing training about 2 weeks ago and showed us how to make TikTok videos. It's like, she didn't say, oh, I've made all this money, but I'm not going to tell you how I did it. She's like, I'm going to give you free access to my YouTube training, and I'm going to let you use it to up your game. Well, guess what? I am watching her videos right now.
Gosh, I love that. And that's so fun how everybody helps other people inside our community. It's great.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for sharing. I appreciate it. And congratulations on your
Thank
success.
you.
And I'm